Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on tensor analysis, lecture number 16, in which we will discuss covariant derivative of contravariant tensor and mixed tensor. Now question is, find the covariant derivative of a contravariant tensor of rank 2. Now we solve this. Let us consider Aij be the contravariant tensor of rank 2 in X system of coordinates. Its transformed value in X bar system of coordinates be A bar Ij. According to the tensor law of transformation, we know A bar Ij contravariant superscript here Ij equal to del x bar I by del xl del x bar j by del xm a lm. Now implies that here del x, these partial derivatives will be transformed in left side. We will get del x l by del x bar I, del x m by del x bar j, a bar ij equal to a lm. Now differentiating both sides partially with respect to xn, we differentiate first this and these two remaining constant. So here del 2 xl, we are differentiating with respect to xn without bar system, but here this partial derivative is with bar system. So firstly we have to differentiate this with respect to bar system of coordinates, then bar system of coordinates will be differentiated with respect to without bar system, that is with respect to xn. So here we write del 2 xl by del x bar I del x bar k, then del x bar k by del xn, differentiation of del xl by del x bar I with respect to xn, and this term remains same, plus now we differentiate del x m by del x bar j, and these two terms remaining same, del x l by del x bar I. Now this is a partial derivative in x bar system of coordinates. So firstly we differentiate this with x bar system of coordinates, then with respect to x system of coordinates. So del 2 xm by del x bar j del x bar k del x bar k del x n. Now this remains same. Now we differentiate these two terms remaining same. Now this is the bar system of coordinates, tensor in bar system of coordinates. So firstly we have to differentiate this with respect to bar system of coordinates. So del a bar ij by del x bar k del x bar k by del xn equal to, this is without bar system, so no problem of differentiation, del a lm by del xn. Now we know the formula for del 2 xl by del x bar I del x bar k. Important formula, we have already quoted this in our last lecture. So this will be equal to, this term will be equal to Christoffel symbol of second kind bar system h I k del x l by del x bar h minus Christoffel symbol in x system of coordinates L alpha gamma multiply by del x alpha by del x bar I multiply by del x gamma by del x bar k. Value of del 2 xl by del x bar I del x bar k. This is the value from this to this. These two terms, three terms remaining same, plus del x L by del x bar I. Again we use the formula for del 2 xm by del x bar j del x bar k. We get Christoffel symbol of second kind in bar system, gamma bar h j k del x m by del x bar h minus in Christoffel symbol in without bar system coordinates gamma m beta gamma del x beta by del x bar j del x gamma by del x bar k. And these two terms remaining same, del x bar k by del x n a bar I j. And remaining these and these be same. Now multiplying the terms outside the bracket with the terms inside the bracket, we will get gamma bar h I k del x L by del x bar h multiply by del x bar k by del x n del x m by del x bar j a bar I j, multiplying this term with the outside term. Now multiplying this term with outside term is Christoffel symbol L second kind L alpha gamma del x alpha by del x bar I del x gamma by del x bar k del x bar k by del x n del x m by del x bar j a bar I j. Up to this again we multiply this term and this term with under bracket term and we will get up to this. Then plus this term remains same and this term remains same. Now interchanging dummy suffix h and I in the first term. Here first term h dummy suffix. Here we write I and I dummy suffix. Here we write h. Here I, here h, here h, here I. And h and j in the third term interchanging. In the third term here, in place of h we write j, h dummy suffix. Here we write j and j dummy suffix. Here we write h and we will get this term. Here j, h, j and here h. And in the second term we see that. In the second term we see that del x gamma by del x bar k. Del x bar k by del x gamma. So this will be equal to Kronecker delta gamma n. Also in this term here also del x gamma by del x bar k. Del x bar k by del x n. So this will be also Kronecker delta gamma n. So here also we write Kronecker delta gamma n. And other terms remain same. Implies that this term remains same. Here here gamma be the dummy suffix. So we write gamma equal to 1, 2. When gamma equal to n, value of delta gamma n will be 1, otherwise 0. So we write here 1 and here n. So this is Kronecker delta Christoffel symbol second kind, L alpha n. Here also we see that gamma be the dummy suffix. When gamma equal gamma 1, 1, 2, 2 addition, when gamma equal to n, value of this will be 1, otherwise 0. So here we write n, then here 1. Other terms remain the same. So we get this value. Implies that this term remains same up to this. Now here Christoffel symbol second kind without bar system, gamma L alpha n. Here by transformation of tensor law we get here bar system of coordinates. So we may make this without bar system of coordinates, A alpha m, plus this term remains same, and here minus Christoffel symbol second kind, m beta n. This is the tensor in bar system, so we may convert this in x system of coordinates. This will be A L beta, and this remains same, equal to this remains same. Implies that this term remains same here, and this is same, and this is same, and we send the negative terms in right side. So we take common del x L by del x bar I, del x m by del x bar j, del x bar k by del x n. Here take common, then remaining terms are del x bar ij by del x bar k plus this and this plus this Christoffel symbol second kind and this, and in right side the term same as the previous step. So we send these partial derivatives in right side. We get here number 1. Let del A ij by del x k plus Christoffel symbol second kind I h k A h j plus Christoffel symbol j h k A I h equal to, we give a symbol A I j comma k. Then one is written as this side bar system, A bar I j comma k, this side without bar system, A L m comma n, and partial derivatives, 3 partial derivatives. This A I j comma k is called the covariant derivative of A I j with respect to x k. Here we see that to right side three partial derivatives. First two partial derivatives denote the contravariant tensor, and third partial derivative denotes covariant tensor. So, Aijk is a tensor of rank 3 in which rank 2 with respect to contravariant and rank 1 with respect to covariant. This rank 1 has been raised due to the covariant derivative. Now, question is find the covariant derivative of a mixed tensor of rank 2. Let us consider Aij. I appears as contravariant suffix and J covariant suffix. So, this is called the mixed tensor. Aij be a mixed tensor of rank 2 in X system of coordinates. Its corresponding value in X bar system of coordinates be A bar Ij, here bar I, so here del X bar I by del XL, here J, so this is del X bar J, del X M by del X bar J, and A L M. This is number 1. Let we send this partial derivative this side. So, del X L by del X bar I, A bar Ij equal to del X M by del X bar J, A L M. Now, differentiating both sides partially with respect to X bar K. Now, first differentiate this del 2XL by del X bar I del X bar K. This remains same. Now, this remains same and differentiation of this del A bar Ij by del X bar K equal to, firstly differentiating this del 2XM by del X bar J del X bar K. This remains same. Now, we differentiate this. This is without bar system, but we are differentiating partially with respect to bar system of coordinates. So, firstly we have to differentiate this with respect to without bar system of coordinates, then without coordinates of without bar system will be differentiated with respect to bar system of coordinates. So, firstly we write this del X M by del X bar J. Now, del X L M by del X N without bar system coordinates into del X N by del X bar K. Now, we know the formula of these second order derivatives. Christoffel symbol of second kind, bar system, Hik del XL by del X bar H minus Christoffel symbol second kind without bar system, gamma L alpha gamma del X alpha by del X bar I del X gamma by del X bar K, and this remains same and this part is same. Now, right side we again use the formula of this type of second order derivative, Christoffel symbol of second kind in bar system of coordinates, gamma bar H jk del X M by del X bar H minus without bar system of coordinates Christoffel symbol second kind, gamma M beta gamma del X beta by del X bar J del X gamma by del X bar K, and this A L M, and this term remains same. Now, we multiply, we get this multiply this is, and this multiply this is, this remains same. We multiply this with ALM and minus we multiply this with ALM plus this is same. Interchanging dummy suffix h and I, here in place of h we write I, in place of I we write h in the first term of left side, and replacing dummy suffix m by p in second term of right hand side. Here m we write p. So, and we write this I, H, here H, here I. Now, here we see that Christoffel symbol of second kind in X system of coordinates, gamma, L, alpha, gamma. Here we have A bar I is a mixed tensor, and one partial derivative here del x alpha by del x bar I. If we take help other del x bar j by del x m, then it will change in A alpha m. So we write here A alpha m, but one extra partial derivatives has been added here, so that will be adjusted by del x m by del x bar j, and del x gamma by del x bar k remains same. This term remains same here. Here we see that A bar I H bar system of coordinates here. Here we ALM without bar system of coordinates. So we convert this in bar system coordinate. Here we have del x m by del x bar h, and we will have two extra partial derivative del x bar I by del x l, so that ALM will convert in A bar IH. So the extra partial derivative would be adjusted by del x L by del x bar I, and we replace here m by p. So here p we have written, and this term remains same. Now we write this term first, del A bar I j by del x bar k. Here we write here, plus we write this term, and we write this left side negative, equal to, in right side we have this term, we write first, plus this term goes in right side, so plus Christoffel symbol second kind in X system, gamma L alpha gamma A alpha m del x m by del x bar j del x gamma by del x bar k, minus here this term remains same. So we take here common del x L by del x bar I. Here also we see that del x L by del x bar I. Here also del x L by del x by common, and this we take remaining terms in bracket. Here this term remains same. This term, here we see that here gamma is the dummy suffix. So we replace this gamma by n. Here we write n, here we write n. So replacing dummy suffix beta and gamma by m and n. And here beta we replace this by m. Here we write m, here we write m. So we will get here m. Now left side same, and in right side we take common del x m by del x bar j by del x n by del x bar k. In each term we see that, and remaining terms are under bracket. Now we send this partial derivative del x l by del x bar I in right side. It takes form del x bar I by del x l and other terms. Here we replace p, here we replace dummy suffix p by alpha. So here we see that in place of p we write alpha. Del a I j by del x k plus gamma I h k a h j minus gamma Kistable symbol second kind h j k a bar I h equal to a I j comma k. Then this equation, above equation, may be written as a bar I j comma k equal to left side this a l m comma n and these three partial derivatives. This a I j comma k is called covariant derivative of a I j with respect to x k. This a I j k is a tensor of rank 3. Here we see that 3 partial derivatives in right side. So this is the tensor of rank 3. Covariant derivative of a I j is a tensor of rank 3. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.